Hey everyone, are you tired of typing email addresses one by one? Today, let me show you how to make a group email in Gmail. Let's get started. First, open your browser on PC and then search for contacts.google.com. Then here, select the people you want to add to your group. And at the top, click the label icon and you can create a new label. Then, after that, open the Gmail and click Compose. Into the field section, type the group name you created. Then the Gmail will automatically suggest it. Just click it and all the members from that group will appear instantly. And that's it. You've just made a group email in Gmail. No more typing addresses one by one. Just create a label once and email your whole group with just a single click. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.